In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a link in Notion. Embedding links in Notion can be a fantastic way to streamline your information and make your workspace even more dynamic. Whether you're linking to a helpful article, a video tutorial, or any external resource, the process is straightforward. So, let's dive right in. First, start by opening the page in Notion where you want the link to appear. Notion's pages are incredibly flexible and act like a blank canvas for organizing your content. You can open an existing page or create a new one by clicking on the plus sign next to your workspace's sidebar. Once you have your page open, consider where you'd like the embedded link to live. Maybe it's an existing section you have, or perhaps it'll act as the start of something new. Now, on this canvas, begin typing. You'll initiate the process simply by typing in the word embed. This action is essential, as it tells Notion that you want to insert something special into your page. Next, you'll need the link you want to embed. Make sure you have it ready to go. Simply paste the link directly into the space that appears after you've typed embed. It's that easy. You might be embedding a YouTube video, a Google Doc, or any other URL-based resource that can enhance your workspace. The link essentially transforms into a preview or active element that integrates directly within your Notion page. Now, after pasting the link, you'll notice an option that says Embed Link. Clicking on this will finalize the embedding process. It might take a moment for the link to fully embed, depending on the type of link and your internet connection speed. But not to worry, Notion handles these kinds of integrations smoothly. There you have it. You've successfully embedded a link into your Notion page. Seeing it there, neatly organized among your other content, helps create interconnected information hubs that are both visually appealing and functionally useful. Now, anyone with access to your page can easily interact with the linked content directly from Notion, making collaboration and information sharing much more seamless. For additional tips, remember that embedded links can be styled or accompanied by relevant text to provide more context. This gives the reader a better idea of what the embedded link offers or why it's included. It's your canvas after all, so make sure it works best for your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this